We are going to answer questions 4 through 7 from Frindle, chapters 6 through 10. So if you pull out this worksheet, we're going to go through these answers together. So the first one says, what did Pete and Nick try to get every kid in 5th grade to ask Mrs. Granger, and what was the result of this? Now, if you haven't done it, pause the video and go ahead and fill in your answers first, because I'm going to go through the answers with you. So I'll wait while you pause. Okay, hopefully you have your answers written down and you're ready. The boys tried to get every student in 5th grade to walk up to Mrs. Granger and ask if they could borrow a Frindle. As a result, almost 80 kids stayed after school that day with Mrs. Granger as a punishment and had to write, I am writing this punishment with a pen. Number 5 is multiple choice. What was the purpose of Mrs. Chatham's visit to Nick's parents' house? Was it to expel Nick from school, to tell how Nick has been in trouble, to congratulate Nick, or to stop the spread of Frindle? Now there's 2 choices that make sense, but one is better than the other one. So you might think it's to tell how Nick has been in trouble, but if you remember, she told his parents he really wasn't in trouble, but the main reason was to stop the spread of the word Frindle because it was just disrupting everything. And then number 6, who came to the school to talk to Mrs. Chatham and Mrs. Granger? Was it a reporter, Nick's parents, a lawyer, or a group of students? You guys know this one. It was a reporter. And number 7, the next morning, Judy Morgan, who is that reporter, received something when she was at work. What was it, and what were some things she noticed? So if you remember, when Judy Morgan was at work, she received a brown paper envelope that contained the 5th grade class picture. And she noticed each student was holding up a pen and their mouths were saying Frindle. She also realized, because it was written on the back of the picture, that the red-headed boy she spoke to in the parking lot the day before was indeed Nick Allen.